Good afternoon. My name is Gina Cortez Arce. I am a student of semester 2. Presentation about my best friend. I am going to talk about my best friend. Her name is Valentina. Their last name is Jimenez Cabal. She is nurse. She is 22 years old. She is an excellent person. She is tall. She is funny. She is from Colombia, but now she lives in Spain. She likes read some books for exercise her mind, but she dislikes all day speaking, burying her when she starts a page of the book. She has the ability to listen to others and understand them and also has excellent communication. When goes she when goes she shop goes good at in a lazy match of soccer. She liked sport a lot but there was always a difficulty and that was learned to play volleyball. Thank you.